Hi guys, I'm here at our old farm. This is the place where we used to house our goats, but we moved to the new farm, the south, uh, so that we could monitor our goats. So I'm here right now. It's around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a little bit drizzling in here. It's wet. It feels so surreal. Back to this farm. It's been 2 months already since I was last time I was here. So there's our old avocado tree. Oh, the forages have grown so tall already. We got here our indigo pera. Oh yeah. All right. We got our paper mulberries there. These are paper mulberries. The grass have also grown. Hey, look at that. Look at that. There's no more way going to the other farmhouse. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, this has become a forest already since I left 2 months ago. Oh, there's our mulberries. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this one. I could barely see the pathway going to the second barn. The indigo pera, the mulberries. You got here the napiers. Look at the napiers, they've grown so tall already. They're so ripe for harvesting. So these are our old goat houses. This is our first goat house here. Yeah, this one. It housed actually 30 to 40 goats. Oh, memories are flashing back already. So barren, empty. Oh yeah. Well, I could still hear, I could still see the goats. I moved the goats to our new farm now. Oh, look at this one. These are the mulberries, paper mulberries. And there's our napier. There's the, oh my god, there's the Madre de Agua. Our napiers, they've grown so tall. There's our second goat house. It's big. It can house actually 50 to 60 goats. Our bamboo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, they're cool, man. They're cool. Yeah. But we will be back soon in here, and everything is okay. We'll be cleaning up this place again. Gonna be housing more goats in here. So, this is it. This is our forage storage. Oh, it's wrecked already. Oh man. I look at the pathway. It's covered with grasses already. So it's not for pasturing the goats in here, huh? Oh yeah. Okay, okay. I hope there are no snakes here. Oh man. Oh yeah. I was the one who actually tie this one. Yeah. All right, it's hard to untie it. So there's our barrels, our containers. Oh my god, my god. Yeah. I think I need to get inside. How to get inside? This one here. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Couldn't open it. Oh, this is it. You see our forage? So thick already. It's like a forest to me now. But this is 3 hours travel from our new farm. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. But I really need to get inside. Oh, maybe we could pass it here. Pass through this one here. Oh, there's no snake. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There I can get inside. Oh, let's do this. This already. Oh yeah. Well, I'm here now. Look at the shrubs. Oh, they're climbing. They're getting inside a goat house. And yeah, you know what? I could hear the bleating sound of the goats already. Oh, so there are spiders in here. You see? Yeah. Oh, it used to be the house of the pen of our breeder buck. For our goalings in here. So look at this one. This Madre de Agua. This is Indigofera. That there are the Napiers. Oh yeah. Very nice. Very nice. You see? This is our old farm. And we're intending to go back here very soon. And everything is okay already. Yeah. Look at that. Just look at that. Oh my god. That's Indigofera in there. Another Indigofera. Amazing beauty. Amazing scenery. Very quiet. You can only hear the sound of the birds, chirping of the birds. And the water dripping. And the rain hitting the roof. You see, we got also plenty of bananas. So I would like to know if they are still intact. Yeah. Okay. I need to see. There is our new piers. Yeah, this way. This is a big goat house. Oh yeah, another Madre de Agua. It's actually a big place. I rented this place for 5 years just to house the goats in here. And we left. We're gonna be back. I think we're gonna renew our contract. We have probably two years left in the contract. So we need to maximize the period left. We're gonna use this one